Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we're going to see how you can update your apps on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is simply just open your App Store application on your phone. And after opening the App Store, now you're going to want to go to your profile, for which you can tap on the profile icon that you can see in the top right corner right here. So after tapping on it, here you'll have to now scroll down. And in here, you can see these are all the applications that requires update on your phone. So you can see the update button beside them just like this. Here you can see all of the update button. So you can tap on any of the app that you want to update. For example, I'm going to tap on this Block Blast and simply just update this app. So I'm going to tap on update and update this application just like this. Here it's going to take a few minutes, and here the update process will be successful. And just like this, you can scroll down and see these are all the application that requires update on your phone, and you can tap on any of these update button and update your applications just like this. So just like this, here you can see Blockbuster updating is almost completed. And when it's completed, it's going to move all the way down to this updated recently section. And here you can see Blockblast is now on the updated recently sections, and it does not require any kind of update anymore. And just like this, you can update any applications that is on your iPhone. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.